Hello everyone. So today we are going to start with exercise 7.2. हमने कल like last वाली वीडियो में proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions क्या होते हैं, how to convert them वो चीज़ पढ़ा था. And today we are going to solve the exercise 7.2 कि हम इसको what are the questions given हम उसको कैसे solve out कर सकते हैं. तो first question which they have given is draw number lines and locate the points on them. तो यहाँ पे अपन को दे रखा है 1/2, 1/4, 3/4 एंड 4/4. इसको हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? I'll show this on paint to you. So basically what you have to do is, first of all you have to draw a number line. इसमें arrows are important, which tells us that the number line is going up to infinity. Now we know that these all are proper fractions which they have asked us to make. इन लोग ने हमको proper fractions बनाने के लिए बोला है, जैसे 1/2, 1/4, 3/4 and 4/4. How can we say that these are proper fractions? Because इसके अंदर numerator छोटा है and denominator is बड़ा. That's why we can say that these all numbers are proper fractions. इसलिए हम बोल सकते हैं कि that these numbers will be less than 1 and they will be greater than 0. तो हम एक जगह तो 0 रखेंगे and another place we won't keep 1 as of now. देखो, like we have to divide these 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. How can we do it? We'll just put a ruler or a scale on our number line, और जो 0 वाला उसके अंदर पोर्शन रहता है, नंबर रहता है स्केल के ऊपर, वहीं पे आपको एग्जैक्टली स्केल को रखना है. एंड देन जहाँ पे 1 सेंटीमीटर है वहाँ पे आपको एक डैश लगाना है, जहाँ पे 2 सेंटीमीटर वहाँ पे आपको सेकंड डैश लगाना है, ऐसे 3 and 4. The place where fourth dash is coming, where the 4 centimeter is coming, there at that place you'll have to write 1. Because what we are doing exactly is we are dividing 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts, right? तो यहाँ पे we could form 1/4, because what 1/4 represents, one part of 4 equal parts. So we'll write 1/4 here. We can write 3/4 here. 1, 2, 3. 3/4 will come here because it is representing 3 parts of the 4 parts, and 4/4 is basically equal to 1, है ना, because it is completing all the 4 parts of the 4 parts in which we have divided 0 and 1 and 2. Now the next thing is this 1/2. This can be a bit confusing, but what 1/2 exactly represents? 1/2 क्या represent करता है? किसी भी चीज का half. तो अगर इन 4 equal parts का अगर हम half में इसको divide करना चाहें, तो it will come in between the 2 parts, है ना, 1, 2. So we could basically write this one as in original form it will be written as 2/4, but it can also be written as 1/2. ये वाली आगे जो एक्सरसाइज है, जब हम इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस पढ़ेंगे तो you'll get this concept as better, that why we are writing 2/4 as 1/2. पर अभी के लिए you can understand up to this point. ठीक है. Now we'll look on to the next question. So in the same manner you have to do the B question also. आपको basically 0 से 1 को 8 parts में divide कर देना है by keeping a ruler on 0 and then making points on 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter up to 8 centimeter. See, it is not important कि आप जो एक part है आप उसको 1 centimeter ही रखो. मेन इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि दैट द पार्ट शुड बी इक्वल. वो पार्ट, एक पार्ट आपका 2 सेंटीमीटर का भी हो सकता है, 3 सेंटीमीटर का भी हो सकता है, 0.5 सेंटीमीटर का भी हो सकता है, बट इट शुड बी इक्वल. तो फॉर द कन्वीनियंस, फॉर द सेक ऑफ कन्वीनियंस, विल बी कीपिंग इट एज 1 सेंटीमीटर ओनली फॉर नाउ. ठीक है. अब ये वाला कंफ्यूजन क्यों हो सकता है? बिकॉज here we are having 2/5, 3/5 and 4/5. These are all proper fractions, but what we are going to do upon 8/5, तो वो हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे अभी, है ना. तो what it has asked us to make is 2/5, 3/5, 8/5 and 4/5. So like we have to divide 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts. So here will come 0, then 1 part, second part, third part, fourth part, and we're going to make 5 part. Fifth part will write as 1. Okay, so what we have to make is 2/5. So 2 parts of 5 parts. So 2/5 will come here, 3/5 will come here, and 4/5 will come here. But what we are going to do upon 8 upon 5, 8 upon 5 का हम क्या करेंगे? अब basically what you have to do is you have to divide from 1 to 2 again, or else how we can write 8 upon 5 in mixed fraction? Mixed fraction में हम 8 upon 5 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 8 will come inside, 5 will come here, and basically it will make 5 to 5 ones are 5, 5 6 7 8 3. So the how can we write this one? This one we can write as 5 will come in denominator, multiply by 1 and 3 upon 5 है ना, remainder will come on the top. तो हम इसको 8 upon 5 को हम 1 3 by 5 भी लिख सकते हैं. So again we are going to divide after 1 we are going to like 1 and 2 in 5 equal parts. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. Because of this, because space is less, I am writing it like this, but आपको एकदम proper spaces लेनी है, equal space लेनी है ना. तो यहाँ पे जो fifth portion है that will be written as 2. So you have to now make 3 parts of 5 parts. So 1 2 3. So basically this part will represent as 8 upon 5. Also अगर अपन देखें यहाँ से हम काउंट करना स्टार्ट करें तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ऐसे भी 8 upon 5 आ रहा है, and this can also be written as 1 3 upon 5. So that's how we are going to do this question. So I hope that this concept must be clear up to now कि कैसे हम किसी भी fraction को number line पे put कर सकते हैं. And we also saw one case of proper fraction also कि proper fraction को भी कैसे put किया जा सकता है number line पे. Now express the following as mixed fractions. I'm not going to solve all of them, but I'll just do first, then D, E and F part, because usually what the case is, हमेशा क्या होता है कि जो last वाले questions होते हैं किसी भी question में last parts होते हैं वो ही difficult होता है. So that's why I'll solve, क्योंकि जो starting वाले I hope that you'll be able to solve by your own self. Still, if you're having any doubt, you can just comment it down and I'll make another video for it. तो जैसे यहाँ पे 20/3 है, तो what we gotta do is 20 को मैं अंदर रखना है, 3 को बाहर रखना है. 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18, 2 will be left as a remainder. Now the important point is this 3 will come as denominator again, so I'll just write it down here. 3 I'm multiplying by 6, so 6 will come here and 2 will come on the top, the one which is remaining as a remainder. Okay, so 6 2/3 will be the answer for 20/3. And now I'll solve 28/5. So 28 will come inside, 5 will come outside. 5 5s are 25, and now 3 are left, है ना? So what it will become is 5 will come as denominator, 5 I'm multiplying, and 3 remainder will come on top. So it is 5 3/5. The next question we are having is 19/6. So 19 will come inside, 6 will come outside. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18. 1 is left. So in this case, 6 will come as denominator, multiplying by 3, and 1 remainder will come on the top. So 19/6 can be written as 3 1/6. Next number we are having is 35/9. 35/9. How can this be done? Basically, you've got to keep 35 inside, 9 as outside. Now 9, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36. So 9 3 is 27. It will go by 27, 3, and 8 is left as a remainder. So how can we write it? 9 will come as the denominator, it is getting multiplied to 3, and 8 we are adding to it. So it can be written as 3 8/9. So this is how we solve, this is how we convert any proper fraction into, improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now moving on to the last question, how can we express the following as improper fraction? So again I'll just do the last 3 because I hope that you can do the starting 3 questions. So if I want to convert 10 3/5 into an improper fraction, so what I got to do is I have to multiply 5 by 10. So that will give me 50. 50 plus 3 is 53. So it becomes 53 by 5. Now if I do for 9 3 by 7, 7 nines are is 63. 7 nines are 63. 63 plus 3 is 66. So it will become 66 by 7. And what about 4 8 4 by 9? 9 eights are is 72. 72 plus 4 is 76. 76 by 9 is what it will become. 9 eights are 72. Yeah, fine. So this what it will become, है ना? If you want to know in deep that how actually I solved these questions, what is the process of converting mixed fractions into improper fraction or improper fraction to mixed fraction, you can see the last video. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.